What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Ryan here with Morbidly Travels, and we are back in the Dominican Republic, hanging out here for about a week or so. Man, this should be a crazy adventure. This is day one. Get ready to get it. Make a little trek along this beach. Man, this place is like beautiful. So, water's a little choppy today. A little windy. Big ass waves coming in. Like, man. I love the DR, man. This shit is so dope. Like, Going to Jazzercise on the beach, yeah. Today. Jazzercising it up, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we do. Getting ready to go out on another party boat here. You guys know I love these things. Let's freaking go. Last time we did this, it was epic. Should be epic again this time.
Yo, I ain't the type to try and take it from your man. So everything you do is honestly part of your plan. You heard I do it, I leveled up, I do it grand.
Get on the boat.
And I have fun with my friends, we can fly out. I know some places we can hide out. Call a lift, we can ride out. And yeah, you know I'm from the UK. And my fan base international, so we ain't only gotta do states. Plus I'm about to get a new place with some cool new views, new pool and a new safe. Old liquor really do chase. And my pillow's big and puffy, so I'm feeling like the new Mace. Yeah, that's a bar, love. Life's a movie and you looking like a star, love. An old dude probably asking where you are, love. I ain't got no rules, if you go back it's all love. Just know I don't wanna be the one. I just wanna be the now. So let's go enjoy the sun. See how we feel when it's down. Or you can go back to him. I just hate to see you drown. Oh baby, with me it ain't deep. You can always So show me love, baby, show me love. I'm trying to do all the things that you've been thinking of. Take you you to all the places I know you're dreaming of. Cause you've been trapped in the city, I think you need some fun. And nah, I ain't on no Prince Charming-ish. I'm just really on some Marvin-ish. If it gets weird, we can call it quits. I ain't tripping. Alright, look, I got my luggage, but listen, no, I ain't tripping. My style's different. Roll one and wine sippin'. My kind of chillin'. White shorts and fine women. And yeah, I do it for the culture. Make you feel good, cause I do it like I'm poster. Say you love him, but I see you moving closer. Say you love him, but I see you moving closer. Yeah, and it's alright with me. Girl, I'ma help you swim till you find your feet. Let's go. I don't wanna be the one, I just wanna be the now. So let's go enjoy the sun. See how we feel when it's down. Or you can go back to him. I just hate to see you drown. Oh baby, with me it's Reggie. I always say I go around. Look, they don't make them like me. That's the reason why you swim here, girl. You know it ain't deep. Look, they don't make them like me. That's the reason why you swim here, girl. You know it ain't deep. One more time now. They don't make them like me. That's the reason why you swim it, girl. You know it ain't deep. Yeah, I put you back on your feet, and I don't care if you pack 'em and leave. I'ma still do me, cause I don't wanna be the one, I just wanna be the now. So let's go enjoy the sun. See how we feel when it's down. Or you can go back to him. I just hate to see you drown. Oh baby, with me it ain't deep. You can always swim back around.
I don't know the words to the song, but I'm singing along, and I love it 'cause it's all.
Everybody's so intoxicated. We're ready to head back to shore. I don't know where the hell we're going. We ride still. We still out there. Oh, look at that sky. Look at that sky. Oh, man. Did you get me falling? No. Maybe. No, I'm
I missed it. I missed it.
All over Texas.
I mixed it.
And that's a big state.
Texas, if you can see this, I hate shit on the
There's always one. There's always one.
It was me.
Salud! Hey, let's go.
He wants one too.
I want one too. I want one too.
He wants one too.
Mama Wanna? We finna do shots of Mama Wanna.
Do shots of Mama Wanna.
We finna do shots.
Cheers! Salud!
Oh, I know. I love Mama Wanna.
This is my first.
First time.
This is your first time?
Yeah, first time I want a shot.
Oh, first one. Salud. Salud.
So what is it?
It's so good.
That's all I've been drinking.
Mama Wanna? Oh, Spanish? Hey, it's all good. Oh.
Cheers! Salud!
Cheers, salud!
So yummy, yeah?
It's so good. So good.
So good. So good.
You ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Oh, go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, no, I don't bleed the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be
I just got in this pool. About to hit the swim up bar. Ah, this water's cold. Woo, shit, son. Step up. Step up.
That's fantastic. Nothing but something and now
Oh, yeah. I can see that being bad. It's almost biffed it. It's a little step up right there, that blue line.
go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want.
What sounds good to drink? It's time. Back out in this cold ass pool. Jesus. I swear my testicles are tucked inside of me right now. No es bueno. No es bueno. It's like we got this big ass pool and there's like 6 people in it. Makes no sense. Good day to be out here drinking. Alright, some kind of way I ended up at karaoke. Ooh, about to get up and sing some Vanilla Ice. If it's on the list. I just put my name on the list. It's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be fantastic.
Come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up there all like somos, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on, every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Time's right, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause when it isn't happening, I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to you.
I successfully embarrassed myself tonight. And it was fantastic. I love it. I haven't done karaoke in a long time. Oh man, I try not to hold it right here. I don't even know if I can use this audio.
Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I'm
Alright guys, I think this is where I'm gonna end this one for tonight.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys, for ruining that shot. Appreciate it. And it's the pocket tube. Okay, let me. Pissing myself on the bus. Whoopsies. Yo.
And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, I met you in the